Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to your channel. If you are struggling with hair fall, dryness, or lackluster locks, discover the ultimate hair care solutions with these 7 game-changing shampoos. From the powerful Onion Garlic Shampoo for stronger hair to the nourishing Onion Rosemary blend that promotes growth, each product is designed to tackle specific hair concerns. Sunsilk's Onion and Jojoba Shampoo smoothens frizz, while the Onion Shampoo and Conditioner duo provide the perfect balance for flawless hair. Dive into the ancient wisdom of Keshbindu Red Onion Shampoo. Harness the nourishing magic of 7 Oil Shampoo, or step into the future with new Eraa Onion Shampoo. Transform your hair care routine and experience long, healthy, and strong hair for life. Please watch till end. Have a great surprise. 1. Onion Garlic Shampoo. Onion Garlic Shampoo. A natural blend for healthier hair. Why onion and garlic? Onions are packed with sulfur, an essential nutrient for producing keratin, the building block of your hair. Garlic is a powerhouse of selenium and allicin, which reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. On your scalp, together they create the perfect recipe for hair strength and scalp health. Benefits: reduces breakage and split ends, boosts blood circulation for faster hair regrowth, eliminates dandruff-causing bacteria and fungi. How to use: massage the shampoo into your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes to let the active ingredients work their magic. Follow up with a mild conditioner. 2. Onion Rosemary Shampoo. Onion Rosemary Shampoo. Say goodbye to hair woes. Naturally science-backed ingredients. Onion extracts stimulate hair follicles and reduce thinning. Rosemary oil, proven to increase blood circulation and unclog blocked hair follicles, creating an optimal environment for hair growth. Benefits: reduces hair fall by strengthening roots, adds natural shine without heavy residue, soothes irritated or flaky scalps. Practical tip: use lukewarm water to rinse for maximum absorption of the active ingredients. Avoid hot water as it can strip natural oils. 3. Sunsilk Onion and Jojoba Shampoo. Sunsilk Onion and Jojoba Shampoo. The secret to smooth and silky hair. What makes it unique? Onion extracts promote hair growth and reduce scalp inflammation. Jojoba oil, rich in vitamins and minerals that hydrate hair and reduce frizz. Why choose this shampoo? Unlike regular shampoos, it works from the inside out, repairing damage at the root and locking in moisture. How to maximize results: pair it with a leave-in serum or mask for long-lasting hydration. 4. Onion Shampoo and Conditioner. The ultimate duo. Onion Shampoo and Conditioner for perfect hair. Why use a pair? While the shampoo cleanses and detoxifies your scalp, the conditioner ensures your hair is hydrated, smooth, and tangle-free. Top benefits: balances scalp oil production, prevents dryness from overwashing, restores the natural pH of your hair. 5. Keshbindu Red Onion Shampoo. Keshbindu Red Onion Shampoo. An ancient remedy for modern hair problems. Power-packed formula. Red onion juice is high in antioxidants, which neutralize free radicals. Responsible for hair aging, its natural enzymes also boost keratin production, unique selling point. Unlike synthetic shampoos, Keshbindu uses natural herbs and extracts, making it safe for everyday use. 6. 7 Oil Shampoo. 7 Oil Shampoo, the perfect blend for hair repair and growth. What's inside? Coconut oil, deep hydration. Almond oil strengthens hair from the roots. Castor oil boosts thickness. Argan oil adds shine. Olive oil improves elasticity. Jojoba oil balances scalp health. Sunflower oil protects from UV damage. How it helps: ideal for those battling dryness, heat damage, or split ends. It also improves manageability, making it great for styling. 7. New Eraa Onion Shampoo. New Eraa Onion Shampoo. Step into the future of hair care. What's different? This shampoo not only promotes hair growth but also contains advanced biotin and zinc complexes to repair and strengthen damaged hair. Pro tip for best results: use it 3 times a week and combine it with new Eraa's hair serum for faster, visible results. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless hair and hello to a lifetime of strength, shine, and health. No matter your hair concern, these 7 shampoos are your ultimate solution for achieving the hair of your dreams, because your hair deserves nothing but the best. If you've already tried this shampoo, tell us your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert hair care tips.